Ryan, what is this? We took this off the car. What's going on?
Putting it back on.
All right. But for serious, we're putting this back on?
Yeah, I'm putting it back on.
Cool.
After the last video, it seems most people like the straight pipe better.
Yeah.
And I kind of want to be louder and obnoxious, so.
There were 49 votes of people who actually found that we had a poll, and then everyone was commenting in the comment section, which you should let us know what you think about what we're doing right now. But we are taking this pipe and we're gonna put it back on there because 71% of the responses said straight pipe.
Yep. But don't worry, I'm gonna cut some of that obnoxious tip off. It sticks out too far from me.
All right. So what you were saying before? What, a flat edge, just like the TI type of thing?
Yeah, I think I want to get rid of this angle and just make it straight.
Cool.
Straight cut.
All right. Did you measure it up first, or are we putting it on and then
putting it on and cutting it once it's on there?
Sweet. Sounds like a plan.
Yep.
Ryan.
Yeah.
What is that shirt?
Coffee, pizza, and Subaru.
Oh yeah, we saw those things.
Pick yours up.
Yeah, go to zturnerdesigns.com/shop, the link right here. Pick up that t-shirt and also pick up a G35 one because it's way better. I didn't wear the G35 one.
We're not working on it today.
Yeah, this is
It's been the only thing on your mind lately. You didn't even wear it.
Yeah.
Going up. Orange stuff.
wow. Christian's awesome.
Yep, I got it. Hold it up here.
Cool.
Back here.
Cool. All right, we should that way.
We'll go this way.
Compare sizes now. Big difference in weight.
Oh yeah.
Big difference in like everything. Look at that.
That thing's heavy.
We got a flex pipe on this one. This one doesn't even have flex pipes.
Nah.
Like,
Extra vibrations.
I like how they made this bend, but they further out this bend. Like,
oh yeah.
It looks like
but
they
it has
bought like replacement pipes. It's like that's like the perfect bend.
And then that.
nah, you know what this
This
pipe
one
is?
right here, it's all super flattened down. That's
This pipe. It's, actually, yeah, you're probably right.
It looks like it's like some kind of replacement OEM pipe that they welded together.
No, it's probably custom piping because, I mean, it has numbers here, but I was gonna say it's probably aftermarket exhaust piping, but this is like it's too clean. Yeah, and this does look like it matches up.
Don't focus on that.
yeah, don't focus on that.
I mean, this tip stuck out like that far. So I'm just gonna cut it back to about where that is. So I'll probably cut.
Might as well put some tape on it now, bro.
Yeah.
Well, no, I'm gonna wait till I get up in there.
Okay.
I want to see it perfectly on the car.
Cool, man. Swap it out.
Cool. All that water in there.
There we go.
But. So Ryan, you're saying.
That stuck out way further before.
So what's the plan?
That exhaust cutter wrench thing.
No, we're gonna try to use that thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if we can do that.
All right.
Takes a little bit of body weight to actually get that thing to cut through pipe. And this, we don't even know what this is made of, but it looks pretty thick.
Yeah.
What is this thing again, Ryan?
It's a pipe cutter.
Yeah.
Just don't put it as super tight. Just put it, at a good angle to just grind it, and then just keep going at it.
All right.
We're through on this side. It's almost. I'm gonna rotate it around the other way.
So maybe you need to tighten it some more too. I hate that tool already.
It's so close.
You know what they say, patience is key, man. Now use a grinder.
Yeah, man, just flap it. You need a flap. You need to weld a flap right here. Just, yeah.
Come on, heavier. It's all flowing up, man.
It's not a shin buster anymore.
Yeah, you're not burning anyone's shin like that.
Just gotta straighten that back out.
Cool. Yeah, let's clean that up a little bit.
Some cheap pipe, whatever somebody uses is cheap.
Clean this up and we're all set. And then we'll,
A little surprise for you, we'll do a little two-step.
What? Two-step?
Yeah.
What? Two-step.
Let's see what we can do here. What do you think? Once I round it out a bit.
Yeah,
A lot more circular than it was.
looks like a circle to me.
Shouldn't be rubbing your hands on my tip anyway. Drop her down and do some two-stepping.
Two-step.
Time to wake the neighbors.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Ready?
That is friggin' mean.
Heck yeah.
Yo, awesome.
No flames?
No flames.
Dang.
It's all good. Holy crap! And if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe to the show with all your friends, and let us know what you think about the straight pipe. because your votes actually made this happen. And so, yeah.
Yeah.
Freaking awesome. Two-step.
I'll eventually make a cleaner one. This one's kind of beat, but sounds good.
Yeah. Woo. Very cool. Yeah, that's awesome.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
This is what we do, man.
This is what we do.
Is this what we do?
Is this what we do?
This is what we do. Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Ready?
Let's do it like that. Ready when you are.
Cool.